Lecture 9, Making Your Dashboard Interactive with Filters. Now it's time to give your viewers something they will really appreciate: control. Today we're talking about filters in Google Looker Studio. Filters are what turn a basic dashboard into an interactive experience. They allow users to explore the data themselves without needing to edit anything or ask you for custom reports. Just think about how many times you have wanted to narrow things down. Show me only this course, or let's see results from this great range. Filters make that happen, and in today's lecture, you will learn how to use them. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to understand what filters and controls do in Looker Studio, add and configure dropdown, checkbox, and date filters, link filters to specific charts or apply them to the entire report. Use filters to make dashboards more useful and user-friendly. What are filters in Looker Studio? Filters are interactive tools that let the person viewing your dashboard customize what they are seeing. Instead of showing all your data at once, a filter shows the viewer to narrow it down by category, date, name, or any other dimension you include. Think of filters like the search tools you use when shopping online. Need shoes in a specific size? Want to see only products under $50? That's filtering, and it's just as useful in dashboards. Types of filters you can use. Looker Studio gives you several filter control types. Let's look at the most common ones. Drop-down filter shows a list of values like courses, departments, or names. Users select one or more options from a drop-down menu. Best for when you have several categories but don't want to take up much space. Checkbox filter displays multiple items with checkboxes. Great when viewers need to select several items at once. Becomes long if your list has many values, so use with caution. Date range filter lets users choose a custom time period. Perfect for tracking performance across days, weeks, or semesters. Works especially well with line charts or time-based dashboards. Search box filter. Users can type a specific value to filter, for example, a student's name. Great for long lists where drop-downs get messy. How to add a filter control. Let's go step by step. Click on Insert in here, and you have multiple options like Advanced filter, checkbox, or preset filter. For now, we'll just go with advanced filter. You can just click on that and drop it where you want it to be placed. For example, in here. In the data panel, choose the dimension you want to filter by. For example, we have first name, but you can just click on that. Click on setup, and you can control the field as well. For example, if you want to go with average grade, so you can click on that, or you can go with age as well. Click on age. For example, if you want to see the students who are 16 years old, you can just type 16 in here and click enter. And here you can see you will get the result as it shows only the data of students who are 16 years of age. That's it. The filter is live. Now when someone views the report, they can click the drop down and select math, and all link charts will update to show only math course data. Linking filters to specific charts. Optional but powerful. By default, filters apply to everything on the page, but you can change that. Let's say you want a filter to control just one table, not the entire dashboard. Here's how you can do that. Click on the filter, go to the setup panel. Under applying filter to, select selected components. Click the chart or table you want it to control. Now you have created a targeted filter, ideal for dashboards with multiple datasets or comparisons. When and why to use filters. Filters are useful when you have lots of data and need to make it manageable. Viewers want to focus on specific segments. You want your dashboard to feel modern and easy to use. They reduce clutter, increase engagement, and improve usability.